Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mattel Dream Mobile, and this is by Hot Wheels. So this is released by based on their 80th anniversary. They are celebrating. The print is not even really that good. Okay, so I bought this for MRP, which is 179, and yeah, Hot Wheels celebration dress, as you can see here. So yeah, let's unbox this and see how this one actually looks. So it does have this that glossy paint job which I was talking about last week. So they use in this STH. Okay. Let me just put this aside. Okay. Here it is. Yeah, this is exactly the kind of paint job they actually use for STH and also the 299 castings. It looks really beautiful because of the paint job alone. This is like a cherry red paint job, and see, excuse, the casting looks good, but it doesn't look really great. It doesn't have headlight details or anything, and doesn't have any tail light details either. So it is just embossed here. That is actually good, but I was really hoping that at least they would do some solid job here for their own casting, which they are releasing to celebrate their 80th anniversary. But they didn't do that. It does some interior detailing to it. It is okay, but not great, not even good, to be honest. It is an okay casting if you ask me. Apart from the paint job, rest everything looks okay. That's it. So it is, it has full metal body. So this part here, this is fully plastic. They just painted red on top. That's it. And the chassis is plastic. So honestly, there is nothing much to talk about this casting apart from that. So the paint job looks really beautiful. That's it. So let's, and again, the livery here, the 80 that the 80 anniversary livery here. This side it looks good, and this side it is not really good at all. And you can see 1945. It is okay. That's it. Okay, let's weigh this casting. It is really light. Maybe 25 grams, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, exactly 25. I nailed it. Okay. So let's do a roll test now. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. Same place. One more try. Again, see guys, I'm just keeping the same level. I'm not adjusting anything here. So whatever you saw the past week, anyway, I'm recording all these videos in one shot, so I didn't change anything here. So if you guys are wondering, it doesn't roll really well. So, but if you just like the color, hey, see, mostly, girls love this particular, even I love this particular color, but, girls really love this color so much. If you want to gift this to someone, like your sister or your girlfriend or your wife, I think this would be a good casting to give because of the paint job. That would seriously match with their red outfit or red lipstick. You can, if you ask me. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.